guys, Weis waves, volume oscillator.
This indicator shows what volumes are dominating on the chart. In combination with technical analysis, it works the best. This indicator is activated all the settings by default. Signal number 1. You can see red histogram. Each red bar is longer than the previous one. The decrease in volumes dominating. The price will go down. You open a down trade. Signal number 2. Green histogram is the increase in volumes. The price is gonna go up. You open an up trade. The indicator can give false signals. When the price moves in the flat zone, the pullback in the opposite direction. Well, in this moment the indicator shows red and green histograms alternately. This is not a clear signal. When it is the uptrend where the price is squeezing the resistance level, it is likely that there will be the breakthrough of this very level. Or a pullback down as well. And if the pullback, well, the indicator will show us the red histogram. But it doesn't mean that the price will move down very soon, because this is about the general upside potential. And here we understand the price is likely to move up and break the level through. Sometimes we can work in advance. What I mean, due to the technical analysis, you understand that the price, for example, will move up, but the indicator isn't showing a clear signal of it. Here I prefer technical analysis and open an up trade, because indicator will give this signal, but later.
And as you understood, I'm gonna trade with this oscillator and with my technical analysis, and I'm gonna overclock my deposit.
So here we can see the resistance level at the top, and we can also notice that price approached this level and is squeezing it. So I'm sure that very soon this level will be broken through, and I think it's high time to open a trade up for 2 minutes. This time is with the reserve, and also price lows are becoming higher. This is the upside potential, 2 minutes with the reserve. I'm reminding you because there can be the flat zone or the pullback. We can see on the indicator display the red histogram. The indicator reacted on the pullback and the flat zone, and of course in this situation we shouldn't open a trade down because it is a false signal. We can see it is the upward movement, and the trading situation is that very soon we can expect the up move and the breakthrough of the resistance level. So we have opened a trade in advance before the green candles, before the green histogram appearing. So let's watch what's gonna happen here. So that is very interesting because the price really moved higher and broke this level through. So we got the profit and we could make it on the breakthrough of the resistance level. So the green histogram appeared on the display of indicator, and now you understand what is a false signal and what is to open a trade in advance. We need to count everything. We need to take into account all the things that's happening on the market. So here we can see the resistance level, and you can also notice that price is already going beyond that. So let's open a trade up for 1 minute because this is a very good upside potential and we can expect move even higher. We can see the green histogram. So increasing volumes are dominating, and 1 minute must be enough for that, and we will have enough time. So let's wait for the end of this trade. It is very good, guys, because the price really moved higher as we've analyzed it. So it brought us the profit, and so right now this is the correction movement. The pullback down occurred. So let's continue find another situation. So here you can see the resistance level, and you can also notice that after the pullback the price reversed and approached this level. So here you and me, we can open a trade up for 1 minute because this is amazing upside potential, and the green histogram on the display of indicator, we can expect this up move because everything signals about this. Let's wait. So that is very good because there has been the momentum up that broke the level through. The indicator was right. Let's continue. So here we can see the resistance level, and you can also notice the price approached this level and is going beyond it very slowly. Let's open a trade up here for 1 minute. This is the squeezing of the level, and I'm sure the level will be broken through completely in the very near future because you can see the indicator shows the green histogram, and this is the increase in volume. So I hope that this time will be enough, but we need to check it.
So it is very interesting because the level is broken through and we got the profit. We could make it on the up move and 1 minute was enough. So here we can see the resistance level, and let's analyze this. So the price touched it 2 times, then bounced down. After this bounce, the price reversed and it has been approaching this level again. There is a room to the resistance level and it is kinda sticking to this. Let's open a trade up for 2 minutes. This time is with the result because we can see that green and red histograms. It means there is no very obvious signal from the indicator. And also we have opened a trade in advance because we can see the trading situation shows that very soon the price will be moving higher towards this level in order to break it through. And of course we first of all conduct the technical analysis based on it and then look at the signals of the indicator. I have made my decision. Let's wait for the end. So guys, it is very interesting because price moved higher and broke this level through, so we could make it on the breakthrough of the resistance level. This situation looks like this. We can see the green histogram appeared on the display, but let's go on. So here we can see the very confident downward movement. The price has been approaching the support level. And we can see the red histogram appearing on the display of the indicator. It means that the price will be moving lower. Let's open a trade down for 2 minutes. There is enough distance towards the support level and we can see this very good downside potential. And I hope that the price will move lower and brought us the profit. So guys, it is very interesting because price moved down and broke this level through. So we made it on the breakthrough of the support level. The indicator was right. You can see this signal from it. So let's continue with another situation. Well, here we can see the support level and you can also notice the price touched this level then bounced up. After this bounce, the price again approaching this level. We can see the red histogram on the indicator display and it means that the decreasing volumes are dominating, the price will be moving lower. Let's open a down trade because I'm sure the price will move towards the level and 2 minutes must be enough for this. It is very interesting because price moved down and we got the profit here, so it was the down move situation. The indicator also was a very good assistant. Let's continue. So here we can see the support level and we can also notice that pull back from the level, then price reversed and again approaching this level. You can also notice that price high stats becoming lower. We have already seen such situations. The red histogram on the display of indicator. We can open a down trade for 2 minutes here. We can expect the move towards the level in the very near future. So let's check it. It is very good because this situation worked out and I got my profit. So I have a very good result this time. So the indicator was right. We got a very good signal. As for my deposit, I have now $5,000 and we can open the last trade and find the very interesting working situation. So here we have the resistance level and we can also notice that after touching the level the price bounced down and moved in the flat zone. So here the price exited this zone and now approaching the resistance level. The price lows are becoming higher here. This is the upside potential and I'm sure the price is likely to keep moving up to the level and we will open a trade up due to this analysis, and I hope that 2 minutes will be enough even if the flat zone or the pullback down happens. And we can see the green candlestick is appearing and already going beyond this level, so let's check if we can succeed here. Brilliant, guys, because price moved up and broke this level through. We got the amazing profit. We made money on the break of the resistance level, and 2 minutes were enough for this. So we can see the green histogram appearing. This is the increasing volumes dominating. So my deposit is $10,000. We can stop for today and leave the market. So this was everything about this indicator, Weis waves, volume oscillator, and of course the technical analysis. We conducted the technical analysis and combined it with the signals of the indicator. Like this video and subscribe to the channel if you already understood how to work with this Weis waves volume oscillator. If you have any questions left, well, you need to rewatch this video again or write the questions into my personal Telegram messages. I will answer every one. Just write to me. If you want to get into my own Telegram group, closed group, write to me the code word private and I will add you there. So guys, wish you all the best, wish you cool mind, and see you in the next video.